Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to remove bankruptcies from your personal credit reports. So if you have a bankruptcy, this video is for you. We have special guest Dimitri from Credit Repair Co. If you guys don't already know him, I've had him on several times in the past couple years. I think we've done over a dozen videos between Credit Josh, my other channel for personal credit, and the Get Business Credit channel. Definitely check out the link in the description below. It'll have the playlist of the past videos we did, and it will show the upcoming videos that we're doing. We're doing a multi-series, how to remove collections, late payments, charge-offs, judgments, all that. That's what we're doing. Medical collections, all that. You don't want to miss. It's all free information, giving you a free PDF. You definitely don't want to miss this. Make sure, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. And right now, give the video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Make sure all notifications are turned on. All right. With all that being said, again, this is how to remove bankruptcy from your credit report. Dimitri will take it over right now. I've known him for over 15 years. He's done wonders for myself, family members, and a lot of you viewers. All right, take it over, Dimitri.
Thanks so much, Josh. It's always such a pleasure to see you, be on this channel, and talk to your people that listening to you. I talk to so many of them in person. Just sometimes not about business. Sometimes just they need advice, and they all tell me, Dimitri, can we report to Josh that we talked to you? Thank you so much. Because I have a lot of information. I'm excited to share this information with you. This is expert level tactics I'm sharing with you today. Absolutely free. I'm sharing with you pretty much what we use as a credit repair company so you can help yourself, okay? The worst thing that can happen in the credit repair industry is if you hire someone, you give them all your personal information, and you have no idea what's happening with your personal information. I've heard horror stories. Some of my old clients all of a sudden went the other way, and they just realized they got 30 trucks purchased under their name. So be careful who you give your information to. All right. This particular video is about how to remove bankruptcy. Me and Josh been working on this playlist of how-to videos so we can give you some ammunition of what you can do when it comes to disputing yourself negative items on your credit report. This particular one is about to remove bankruptcy, how to remove bankruptcy, and 30 possible reasons to dispute a bankruptcy. Now, if you miss, this video, or you don't understand something, or maybe I'm talking too fast, don't worry about it. All these reasons can be sent to you as a free PDF, so you can use them in your letters, okay? You don't have to buy these letters. You can just literally follow the advice that I'm giving you today to draft your own letters and follow the procedure, okay? When it comes to bankruptcies, a couple of steps are involved, okay? Again, I'm not just saying, it's not just disputing online, saying it's not mine. I'm giving you expert level strategy here, okay? And if you don't know, I'm gonna give you a couple of websites. If you don't understand what they are, again, send us, a message, and I'll send you all this information absolutely free, exactly what I'm talking about here. Now, step one, sign up with Pacer.com. Second, contact LexisNexis and request consumer disclosure copy. It's a free copy. You should have it. Some of you probably know that when you dispute bankruptcy with Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, they just send a message to LexisNexis. The LexisNexis verifies it, and they send you the results of the dispute process, saying, hey, it's been verified. So you want to make sure you take a look at your LexisNexis report. Now, compare both of them, Pacer and LexisNexis. Now, dispute directly with LexisNexis before you even go to credit bureaus, okay? Very important. You can follow the process of disputing with LexisNexis. And some of you are probably like, oh my God, what's the LexisNexis? Yep, it's, this 21st century. There are second layer of reporting agencies behind the credit reporting companies, okay? Now, after that, after you dispute, with LexisNexis, then you can send disputes to credit bureaus, all right? Sometimes, you get lucky, and LexisNexis removes it right there. Sometimes at the second round, the credit bureaus might drop it. Some of them, but sometimes they send you a letter saying verified. So what you got to do is follow the next step. You send a letter to the court. Okay, your bankruptcy filing should have the address of the court where your BK was filed. BK stands for bankruptcy. And you want to ask them to provide the procedure that was used by court to verify your record. What happens is courts do not have such a procedure. Credit bureaus do not contact courts. Courts do not verify any of the information. And that's what you will get in writing from court, saying that the court, cannot verify with credit bureaus any of the information. So you get that letter and you send it back to credit bureau for factual violation again. All right. If that doesn't work, you file CFPB complaint using one of the 30 reasons I got for you. Okay. There are so many discrepancies when it comes to reporting. You can use any of these reasons to file the complaint, legitimate complaint with CFPB. Okay. So I'm not even going to go into details, but I give you a list of 30. You pick one, pick two, pick three. Okay. So I'll give you some tools so you can find those discrepancies and, draft the letter saying, look, it's a complaint. CFPB is a Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So they are there for you. If you find mistake, you report that, that mistake to CFPB. Okay. And they normally take actions right away. Within 2 weeks, you might even get the response from the creditor. Okay. So these are the expert level strategy that we use, when it comes to fixing your credit. So if you don't understand what I was saying, or missed on some steps, send us a message using the link below, and I'll send you all of these reasons as a PDF, absolutely free. Because, just follow us. I'm here to give you as much value as I possibly can. Okay, that's all, Josh. That's all I got for right now.
Sounds good. All right, you guys heard him. All you have to do is look in the description below. Click that; it will expand, and you can see not only his website but the link to get the free PDF. It's free. It's not gonna cost you anything. No commitment, anything. It's free. You have nothing to lose. His information is 100% legitimate. He's been in business for 20 years or so now. I've known him for 15 years. I can vouch for him myself, and I'm sure a lot of you guys can vouch for him as well. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys, if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and check that box that says all notifications, because you don't want to miss the upcoming videos that we have. And over here, right above me, we'll have a playlist of all the credit repair code videos that we've done in the past and these new upcoming ones that we have with Dimitri. Okay, you guys don't want to miss those. Those are free. And if you have multiple issues with your credit, get all the PDFs, whatever. All right, you guys take care. All that being said, take care. Bye-bye.